All right, today I have a GMC Terrain right here. You can see I'm in the vehicle of a GMC Terrain, and I'm going to show you where the parking brake is located on this vehicle. All right, so I'm sitting in the vehicle. The vehicle is currently in park right here, so it's currently in park. Now, to apply the parking brake feature, right? Okay, it's in park right now, so I have it in park. I'm going to go ahead and reach over, and I'm just going to press the park button. And when I press this park button, look what happens. It says park brake is set. So the park brake is set while I have it in parking gear. All right, now, in order to turn it off, look what happens when I come over here. I can press it again, but it says step on brake to release parking brake. So I'm going to step on the brake, and then I'm going to press the parking brake button over here again, and it is disengaged. It says park brake released. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead. I'm still in park. I'm going to go ahead and take my foot off the brake, and I'm going to press the park button again to put it into, the parking brake on. Now, if I were to switch this vehicle into gear, all right, so in order to take the parking brake off, what I'm going to do is the same thing, okay? I'm going to go over here and press the park brake with my foot on the brake, park button, and it disengages it just like that. All right, now the same thing goes if I were to put any other gear, I do the same thing. All right, so I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please refer to your owner's manual and abide by your owner's manual so you know exactly how you're supposed to do it. All right, this is just my opinion of how I operate my vehicle. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.